Okay, you might be wondering what does the conditional rendering means. It means showing the elements on your LWC component depending on different conditions. If certain conditions are true, you will show a set of component. If the other condition is true, then you will show the different set of elements on your component. So this is what the concept of conditional rendering is. Here we just want to show the generate OTP component when we don't have the when we don't have the OTP generated already. If we in case we already have in case we have a OTP generated for us, we need to show the validate OTP screen. So let's configure our component in that pattern. So I'll use a template tag. We use a template tag to define the conditional rendering within the LWC. If true, I want to showcase the generate OTP LWC only when the OTP number is false, which means there is no value in the OTP number in my parent component. And as you know, the parent component, the LWC the OTP number comes from the child component, which means if user has not already generated an OTP, this generate OTP LWC will show. Otherwise, what we will do, we'll just copy it, paste it, define another template like if else directive. Directive. Here we will use if true. If the OTP number is true, which means that from the generate OTP we have already received an OTP, then we will hide the generate OTP and we will display the validate OTP screen or component. I'll paste it. See here in the template tag you can use if false or if true directives to define the conditional rendering conditions for your elements. So this is also an important aspect or important skill that you should know when you start learning or when you continue to learn your LWC development. This is a good skill to know. And as part of this code walkthrough, I'm trying to explain as many techniques, as many skills as I can, which are commonly used practices in Salesforce LWC development, and eventually making you a pro in Salesforce LWC development. So we have defined the condition. Let's see if it works or not. I'll go back to my org. I refresh the page. I don't want to take the risk. I'll just hard refresh it for one time. I'll enter the phone number. Okay. You see the conditional toggling happened here. We for the first time we tried generating like OTP using our mobile number. That OTP got generated, and as soon as we received the OTP in our parent component, the child component of generate OTP got hidden, and we received our new validate OTP screen. You wonder how did you make sure that it is our new component? You see, we defined this. You will get a one-time password via SMS in our validate OTP LWC. And here also we are asking for the 6-digit OTP input, not the mobile number. So we can make sure